Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So, breaking through structure, but we're still in an uptrend, so I wouldn't read too much into this right now. We do have a potential double top here, and that is the neckline, but obviously we'd want to see a retest of 15,489 before we start talking double tops. Have a look at the oscillators at the moment. They have crossed over. They are pointing to the downside, but they are also separating, and we are in a clear uptrend. So, as far as I'm concerned right now, the range continues. So we're probably going to head back into this range, and we're going to have a strong area of support down here at 15,276. Now, not sure what the meltdown was. If anybody does know, drop us a comment. But for me at the moment, the Euro USD is not really moving at the moment. It's waiting for non-farm payroll, so it's kind of hovering around, and the indexes are falling. So a bit of divergence between currencies and indexes, which is always interesting. But if we start looking at the 3-hour above the moving averages, we're now heading below the moving averages. The picture is not really changing. If you look to the left, over the last couple of weeks, above and below the moving averages. So if we drop down to the hour, it's going to be even clearer. So above the moving averages, below the moving averages. So for any short to take place here on the hour, we are going to have to see, and let's just put the third one in because it is going to be applicable. So you are looking for a rejection of 15,495, 15,500, 15,514 and 15,534. So I'd want to see a price pull back into this area, reject that. Your first target should be this double top. That will take us down onto the structure here, and you can see that's fairly decent, nice inside bar there, and we haven't tested that before, so that's pretty much where you're heading to. But at the moment, it could just slide down here, or it could move very quickly to the upside. 70 points to the upside before moving down. Look at the oscillators here, not something you want to be playing around with right now. So if you check the 15-minute, you'll see it does look like a bit of a flag forming as well. Look at the diversions here, price falling, oscillators climbing. This is not something I want to be second guessing. So definitely looking for structure higher up to see if we get a rejection there, and we are targeting this 15,389. So that would be this morning's move. If it hasn't happened by the time non-farm payrolls comes out, get out of the market. Just if you're in a loss, take the loss. Just wait for that data to come out. Yesterday, to be quite honest, was pretty much nowhere. And we just get this rejection here. Tag that, but then look at this. The US session was just completely confused. So yeah, I'd be very careful. I always say to myself, if you've got a second guess or you're trying to find something, then rather stay away from it. And I think that's exactly what I'm doing right now, is trying to find a trade, and I don't think that is the wisest thing to do. There is a little bit more structure higher up as well. But if you look at the overall picture on the higher time frame, so we're talking 8-hour and above, we are in an upward trend. Look at the hour, it does look like we are breaking, but we're up until we're not, so I'd want to see a rejection. So this is the area, this is the most logical area for me, to be honest, 15534. In fact, if I just delete the noise and we just focus on one, if we don't get there, then there's no trade. If we do get there, then there's a trade. Simple as that. So we are looking at 15,534. So basically this cluster here that we're looking to reject. If we can reject that today, this morning, definitely an opportunity. But bear in mind, you probably find this double top would play out before you even get that opportunity, and that double top target is right there, and that is 15,388. So yeah, I think if we do pull back, I'll be looking at the short. Otherwise, I'm taking an early weekend. I'm not going to bother with this at the moment. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.